Hello everyone, this is class 36 on subject income tax 2. In today's class, we are going to solve one case study on life insurance premium paid by assessee under section 80C. And the case study is, from the following information of Mr. Raghu for the previous year 2019-20, compute deduction under section 80C. Number 1. Life insurance policy of rupees 1,50,000 taken on own life and the premium paid rupees 20,000. Second, life insurance policy of rupees 3 lakh on wife's life and the premium paid was rupees 50,000. Third, life insurance policy of rupees 1 lakh on son's life who is minor and the premium paid by Raghu rupees 20,000. With this information, you are asked to compute the deduction under section 80C for the assessment year 2021 if life insurance policy are taken, case number 1, on previous year 2016-17, case 2, on or before year 2011-12. In the previous classes, we have seen the conditions that are applicable if the life insurance policy is taken before year 2011-12 and after year 2011-12. If life insurance policy is taken before year 2012, that is before 1st April 2012, then percentage applicable for deduction is 10, and if the life insurance policy is taken after 1st April 2012, then the deduction that is applicable on life insurance policy is 20%. Let us start solving the sum. We are given two case studies, therefore we have to solve sum 2 times. 1, for year 2016-17 we have to take deduction at 20% on life insurance policy. So let's get started. I request all the students to first note down the sum and then see the solution. Number 1. Life insurance policy taken on own life. Life insurance policy on own life. Policy amount is 1,50,000. First we are solving it. If the policy is taken in the year 2016-17 and if the policy is taken in the year 2016-17, the percentage applicable is 10. And if the policy is taken on or before 2012, then the percentage applicable for deduction is 20%. I hope it is clear to all of you. Policy taken on or before 1st April 2012, then the percentage applicable is 20. If the life insurance policy is taken after 1st April 2012, then the percentage applicable is 10. Right now we are solving it for the year 2016-17 where the percentage applicable is 10%. What is the amount of life insurance policy? 1,50,000. What is the amount of premium that is paid by Raghu? Here the premium paid was rupees 20,000. Now on 1,50,000 if we calculate 10%, on next line we have to show the calculation in the bracket. 10% of 1,50,000, that is 15,000, or the premium amount paid by Raghu. Here the premium amount paid by Raghu is rupees 20,000. So 10% on 1,50,000 or 20,000 whichever is less. So what is the amount that we are taking to amount column? It is 15,000, which is 10% of the premium amount. Coming to next, second one, life insurance policy of rupees 3 lakh on wife's life and premium paid is rupees 50,000. Life insurance policy on wife's life. Policy amount is rupees 3 lakh. Now on the next line we have to show the calculation, that is 10% of the policy amount comes to 30,000 or premium paid by him is 50,000, whichever is less. So 30,000 is the lesser amount, so we are taking 30,000 to the outer column. Coming to third information, life insurance policy of rupees 1 lakh on son's life who is minor and premium paid by Raghu is 20,000. So now third one, life insurance policy on son's life. Policy amount is 1 lakh rupees, wherein premium paid by him is how much? 20,000. So we are showing calculation on the next line, that is 10% of 1 lakh, 10,000 or premium paid by him, which is 20,000. Whichever amount is less will be taken to the amount column. So we are taking 10,000 rupees to amount column. Let us just see the entire solution on one single page. Yes. So here you can see, if the life insurance policy is taken after 1st April 2012, the percentage of deduction that is applicable on life insurance policy is 10%. Either that percentage or the premium amount paid, whichever is less, is taken into consideration for deduction. Therefore, in first case, policy is of rupees 1,50,000 but the premium paid is 20,000. So comparison of 10% of the policy amount or the premium paid, whichever is less, is taken to amount column. Next, life insurance policy on wife's life, 10% of the policy amount or premium paid, whichever is less. Then third is life insurance policy on son's life, 10% of the premium amount or 10% of the policy amount or premium paid, whichever is less, is taken to the outer column. Now I would like to remind it once again that if assessee has taken life insurance policy, he can take life insurance policy on his family, and the family includes the assessee himself, his spouse, that is his wife, and his children. And if the assessee is female, she can take life insurance policy on her name, on her husband's name, and on the name of her children. Here, family does not include brother, sister, uncle, auntie, mother or father. Here in this sum, it is taken on own life, wife's life and son's life. Therefore, all are eligible for deduction. Coming to next, now we have to find out gross qualifying amount. Gross qualifying deduction. So gross qualifying deduction is 30,000, 15,000 plus 30,000 plus 10,000, it comes to 55,000. Coming to next, now this gross qualifying amount is less than the maximum limit of deduction that is qualified under section 80C, and the maximum limit of deduction under section 80C is 1,50,000. 1,50,000 or gross qualifying amount, whichever is less. Therefore, deduction under section 80C is 55,000 rupees because it is less than the maximum amount. In case this amount comes to 2,55,000, then deduction under section 80C would be only 1,50,000. Why? Because gross qualifying amount or maximum limit of deduction under section 80C, whichever is less, is deductible under section 80C. Now coming to next point, that is computation of deduction under section 80C for the assessment year 2021 if the policy is taken in the year 2011-12. If the policy is taken in the year 2011-12 means it is taken before 1st April 2012. Therefore, what is the percentage that is qualified for deduction on life insurance policy? It is 20%. So 20% on policy amount or the actual premium paid, whichever is less, is qualified for deduction. So first one, life insurance premium on own life. Next line we will show the calculation. Okay, first we have to write the policy amount, that is 1,50,000. If you have noted down the sum, you will understand it. If you are directly seeing the solution, you may not understand it properly. So I have told you earlier, note down the question and then see the solution. So what is 20% of 1,50,000? It is 30,000. 30,000, or what is the amount of premium paid? It is 20,000, whichever is less. So what is the lesser amount? 20,000. We are taking it to the amount column. I hope you all are understanding this. Coming to second one, life insurance policy on wife's life. Policy amount is 3 lakh rupees, wherein premium paid is 50,000. So on the next line you can show the calculation. What is 20% on 3 lakh? It is 60,000, or premium paid 50,000, whichever is less. So what is the amount that we are taking to outer column? It is 50,000 rupees. Coming to next, third, life insurance policy on son's life. Life insurance policy on son's life. Amount is 1 lakh. Now on the next line we have to show the calculation. That is, what is 20% of 10 lakh? Sorry, what is 20% of 1 lakh? 20,000. Or what is the amount of premium paid? Same, that is 20,000, whichever is less. So both the amounts are equal. So we can write down 20,000 to amount column. Coming to next, now we have to find gross qualifying amount. Gross qualifying deduction. What is gross qualifying deduction? 20 plus 50 plus 20 comes to 90,000. Now compare this 90,000 with maximum limit of deduction. Maximum limit of deduction under section 80C is 1,50,000 and gross qualifying amount is 90,000. So 90,000 or 1,50,000, whichever is less, is deductible under section 80C. So next line, deduction under section 80C is 90,000. So deduction under section 80C comes to 90,000. I hope you have understood the solution. If the policy is taken before 1st April 2012, then percentage applicable on policy amount is 20, and if the policy is taken after 1st April 2012, then the percentage applicable is 10. So using these two information, we have solved this case study. I hope you all have understood this. Next class we will solve case studies on other points such as tuition fees paid by the assessee on son's education, daughter's education, hostel fees paid, etc.